Hi, I'm Teagen, and I am the Director of Events for a large expansion organization, and I'm also the event consultant at Growthward Consulting. We're going to be hosting a class on September 1st about how you can host great client events and support your business in a big way.
Thank you, Teagen. I am Shayna with Growthward Consulting, and we strategically placed this class September 1st, right before the fourth quarter events begin. And here's our goal for this class. Our goal is that you will leave with some systems to have proactive and intentional events. And through those, you'll have predictable results, you'll gain referrals, you'll gain client awareness, and then most important, to maximize your branding and your affiliate support and participation and bring the most value for your time and energy invested. So again, please join us September 1st, 10 a.m. Pacific time. We'll have a 2-hour class, lots of question and answers, and some great ideas and systems to put behind your events. See you then.